what next? I'll be giving to 30-minute session, right? It's a private Zoom link. Maybe I request you all, if it gets disconnected, we'll connect it with the same link again, right? Because it's a 40 minutes time limit. But I'll try to solve it within 35 minutes. But for 30 minutes, you be focused. Don't think of anything. It's not forcing. You are not forced to do anything. You are not forced to take any decision here. You have to just listen it, and you have to just give a thought. If this happens in my life, or if this opportunity clicks in my life, what in next 2 to 5 years I can be, or my family can achieve. So this is a schedule that I'm not sharing with you. There are some people who are very much confused in life, right? And throughout the life, they are very much confused. What, how, when, and in the morning, from morning till evening, they are already in a confused mind. There are some students also, there are some youngsters also, still they are confused. What to do, where to do, when to do, and overall throughout the life, just thinking about what, when, how, and taking no actions. And so I said that this is an opportunity which is very much misunderstood. People have misunderstood this opportunity, but if you believe, conceive, you can definitely achieve. This is a statement from Shiv Khera, right? So the very first thing which I would prefer to ask anyone on the call is, if you have your why clear, right, then how does not matter. The why is what? The 90% of the force, the dream, the passion, the zeal, which you can definitely help, which can help you to achieve your dreams and the destination which you want to reach. So what is why, right? I would just clarify in 1 minute. If you have 100 million of money, dollars, or INR or pounds in your bank, what would you like to spend, or where would you like to spend, right? So what, as per my understanding, I have related it. If you relate, you can just accept it, right? So very first thing which a person wants is no boss, right? There is a boss in your life, right? The boss does not mean that where you are employed, or where you are doing some job, or whether you are engaged in something. There are two main boss in our life. One is the money boss, and another is the time boss, right? The money boss is controlling every day and each and every second, and time boss, as it is, we know that 24 hours, every second we are missing it, right? So the very first thing which we have, which we can control, is what? If we have money, we can have no boss in life. We can be happy. We can definitely leave our jobs also. We can definitely enjoy the businesses which are doing without any stress. Another thing is very good house with bungalow, good bungalow, where the car is parked and is not required to reverse it yet. Definitely about the car, a big car. I'm not talking about Maruti or Tata. I'm talking about some big luxurious car which we see when we flow around in the city, right? And definitely our neck moves around. Or yaar, badhiya car hai, very good car. No debts, no loans, no EMIs. People are facing after this Corona or COVID-19 period. We have seen many people, right? Were not in debt, but today they are in debt. Why? Because of the moratorium period, because of the no EMIs which have not been paid, right? So that this is also one of the dreams which you can follow. This is one of the why we can follow. Another is bank balance, good bank balance. Then jewelry. I'm just putting it very shortly. World tour. People like to move around, like, but because of lack of money, they are not able to just reach the nearest tourist point also throughout the life. I'm not talking about one time. Throughout the life, right? Craving for some short tours. Parents care, a major issue. Every child, every son or daughter wants to take care of parent, but because of lack of money, or because of some compulsions to earn money, they have to leave their parents alone. Donations, the last and but not the least. Every person by heart, by seven, at the deepest corner of the heart, we know that we want to help the society. We want to donate. We don't want to help to the needy people. But why we are not able to do it? See, donating 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 1000 rupees for one time is not a donation. Donation is a real help, is a consistent effort where you are definitely providing a help where the it is utilized properly, right? So I'm talking about thousands and millions of donations, right? And see, there are many different, you might be thinking in your own way. This is a circle which we all together try to crave, and this is all what are our dreams is, what is our requirement, what is our desires, right? But why we are not able to achieve? Because there is a very small circle, income circle. maybe in your job, maybe in your business, or maybe in your consultancy, maybe in your professional career. But the circle is very small and the dreams are very big, right? And this is what is your income. What I am telling you to show it is, we have an opportunity where your income is not to be disturbed. You have to do whatever you are doing it. You should not stop doing that. But apart from that, if you spare some 2 to 3 hours, you can income circle, it increase your income circle, and that will help you to fulfill all your dreams, right? So what is the opportunity? Basically it is from work from home. The opportunity which we are sharing you, it's basically work from home opportunity. You need not go out. You just need a laptop or a good internet connection, electricity connection, and some good investment where you can definitely make your dreams come true, right? Let me proceed. This I'm talking about forex market. You might be heard about forex market. You might have heard. You might not have heard. But let me give you a brief of it. It is the market where the currencies are exchanged. It's made up of banks, commercial companies, big banks, right? So what what is this about? It's about the biggest currency exchange, right? It has a big platforms in four major cities of the world, and it runs. It is a more than 6.6 trillion dollar economy turnover, right? Indian government is craving for 5 trillion economy, and I'm talking about the market or the business opportunity where everyday turnover is more than $6 trillion, $7 trillion approximately, right? So the opportunity is very big. If you misunderstand it, it might be a very much big failure in our life career. Let me understand. I help you understand how this works. Like, let me give you an example of a Western Union or a money exchange. Like, if I go there and the dollar's rate is 75 rupees, and if I want $100, I have to pay 7,500 rupees, right? But as soon as I come out of the office, and I come to understand that the process is over, and I don't need the dollars once more. So what I do, I go again to the Western Union and I tell I don't need the dollars. But then the selling rate is 70 rupees. So the money which I get back in INR is 7,000 rupees. What did the exchange earn in just a few minutes? It was a difference between these two, 5 rupees. That is 500 rupees, for example. Right? Basically, forex market is this exchange of currencies. What we exchange? We exchange that we trade for currencies. It's a business. It's not some commission, or and it's not gambling. It's a basically trading currency. Someone trade with cloth, someone trade with some food materials as a restaurant, someone trade with some gift articles, someone trade with different electronic items. So here what we trade is we trade currencies in forms of euro, USD, GBP, JPY. In olden days, people used to travel from one place to another to trade currencies. But now, because of this platform, from last 40, 45, 50 years, we have a platform where online we can definitely, without having physical currencies, we can trade money and trade these currencies and earn a lot. I'll give you a short example of this person. He's a George Soros. You can search on internet, Google. He's a person from US.
Okay.
He's a person from US basically, but settled in UK.
कर सकते हैं
What,
12%.
what he did, he went to UK, and then when he started this currency market, he was very much in depth. But then he had a vision, and once he expertised on that, and it was a time in 1992, he bet on British pound, and he had an enormous fortune. He had a good gain in just a single day of $1 billion. This is the record in the history, that he broke the Bank of England, right? And it is a history which is not repeated till date, right? So what I am trying to explain from this, a, a single person who has one head, two eyes, 2 ears, one mouth, one nose, same like us, if a one person can do it, and this is the sky is the limit, this is the potential, maximum potential, one man in one day can do it, why can't we do it in our this life career? This is a question I am putting you, just watching, or if you are watching this picture, right? If a single man George Soros can do, why can't I? Right? And if you believe you can do it, definitely welcome, we are with you. So again, coming to the Indian market, right? Indian, this market runs for 24 hours, 5 days a week. It starts Monday early morning around 2:30 Indian time, and it ends at Friday evening 2:30. Sorry, Saturday morning 2:30. Right. So 24 hours this market runs. So you have the opportunity where at your leisure, at your time, at your selected time, you can definitely go to the market, analyze something, take a decision, and make your some few bucks which you are needed, which you needed. These are basically what I have surveyed it from Google, that there are such a few traders. I'll just talk about Asia. There are 3.2 million traders. Matlab hardly 32 lakh traders. You can see the opportunity. It's just talking about 32 million. I am talking about a city where I am staying, Vadodara, Gujarat. It has a population of around 30 lakhs. Can you imagine? Just a small city of Vadodara, that much people in the Asia are doing this trade, forex market. It's a vision coming, giving. I'm giving a vision of next future 10 to 15 years, a decade or a era. Right? If you take a decision, stick to it. Try to maximize the benefit. I can say that we can be the first millionaire or billionaire of our khandan को क्या बोलते हैं, we family, right? So yeah, some, if you have heard about forex, some people say that forex trading is dangerous. Some people fear. Some people do not enter into the game. You know why? Because they have heard that trading is very dangerous. Trading is very dangerous. But what I have learned, or what I have experienced, that investing in anything, not only forex, anything without lack of knowledge is dangerous. And here is a role where we are playing. We are coming here with two great uh, organizations. One is I Mastery Academy and other is Trade House. Yeah, I am Master Academy. You might have heard. You might have heard. You might have seen on the net. You might have experienced some other meetings. But we are specialized because we have some extra benefits of Trade House. Trade House is a community which has been started by 2-3 persons from, sorry, 6 persons who are trading for banks. I will show you. But what is basically, what will you get? Four types of benefits. First is go live. We have live sessions which continuously are going on throughout the day. You will feel fatigued that what, how I am not able to utilize it, but the trade goes on, the live sessions goes on. There is I am Academy, continuously helping you with different sessions, different knowledge. There is Trade House, which I told you, and there is a Discord group specially made from our group. It This all four platforms will help you for learning. These are the some icons which you can go and select it out. If you found Trade House icon in this way, then only confirm that this is what I am talking you. Next, what I'm talking about, the Trade House educators. These are the people who were educating, who were performing the trades for banks, big banks, right? There are 10 major banks or institutions which are controlling this market, forex market, and these are the people who are working for the banks. They thought that let us provide this thinking or this approach to the people in public, and that is why they founded this Trade House. And our USP, the unique selling point, is that we are associated with Trade House. And Trade House is a community where we specially educate you how to trade, where to trade, when to trade, when is the entry, where to take the entry, where to take the exit, right? And this is what is specializing our business, our group of people, right? You can search these numbers and you can find these people on the I Am Academy also. In short, I am just showing you a picture. Just give a glimpse of 30 seconds and think what I am trying to show you. Right? In a single picture, I am trying to show you what is this I Am Academy, I Am Markets Live. The new name is I Am Academy. Right? And what is Trade House Canada? The Trade House started from Canada, actually. And we have a community, a good community of people, good community of traders successfully trading. Right? So from the picture itself, it depicts that this is a session, this is a project, this is a business, this is a program where you have n number of things to learn, right? It's not just a laptop, it's a library of laptop, it's a library access. I would say 24 hours if you access, it will be less. It's many things are dumped there, many educators are there, in different languages are there. It's not limited to India, it's not limited to any country. There are educators in Spanish, there are educators in different languages also, right? And we are developing the Hindi language here also in India, for India. So what is I Am Academy? In short, it's a online education program where you can access as many things as you want. You can learn about forex as much as you want. and then you can have a proper strategy or a trading plan for you, where you can start earning from $500 to 50,000, 5 lakhs, 5 crores also, right? So what is I am Academy? The new name is I am Academy, right? It's a first class forex education and software provider. It's an online program. On a click you can start educating for the next second. It was founded in July 4th 2013, almost 17 years. Last month it crossed 7 years, sorry, 7 years. And in 7 years it has crossed almost 187 million. Last year's turnover is $187 million. And very soon, by this 20 December 2020, this company, and we are as a company partners, we are trying to hit $1 billion, right? It is the fastest growing. It's the momentum number 2 ranked in the online or the work based home business. It's momentum number 2 fastest growing business in this world, because you need not go out of the world, out of your place, sorry, out of your residence, out of where are you at present, right? And it, people have faced it last 3 4 months. People have faced it. They were not ready. They were, in spite of moving, able to move out, people are not moving because fearing about that, fearing about corona, right? But here is a platform where you do not need anything to go out. Just need a good connection, good electricity connection, good internet connection, a laptop or a mobile. It's operating in more than 120 countries, and every month new countries are added, right? In a 7 years span, we have reached to 120 plus countries. Very shortly we'll be reaching 150 plus countries. It's a triple A plus rated organization. I am Academy I'm talking about. It's a debt free company and it is privately owned, so there is no shareholders or no government which will try to force it, right? It's financially solvent and stable, very stable company, very stable. And there is no third party services. So we, as an education provider, we just provide education. We do not recommend you any brokers, we do not recommend you any investment. There is no investment plans. Here you are getting pure education, from where you can be a chai wala, a tea seller, or a prime minister, right? You can be a Bill Gates, or you can own your company, right? So so next is, what is the trend? What is the trend? If you know something about forex, there is a trend where people are like this, following some signals. They are following some arrows. They are following some tips, and on Instagram and Telegram. But see, ultimately the trader or the person is confused what to do, when to do, and whether I will be profitable or not. So here is the right path which I want to show you, right? So there are some questions I am throwing to show you, like you can go through it. Yes, you can make the career, you can fulfill your requirements, you can accomplish your dreams. Yes, all the answer to these questions are yes, right? So this is what is Go Live and what is I'm Academy, right? We have 3 courses: beginners, intermediate, and advanced, right? If you don't know about forex, welcome. We'll teach you from abcd to xyz, right? If you know something, you can engage with some intermediate courses. And if you are expert, you want to earn more, if you want to become an expert, yes, but it will take at least 90 days to be expert. 14 days to 90 days is a period. So be ready for 3 months and you can win the game. What are the benefits? I'm just throwing you the questions. We give you education about basic forex language, right? We give you how to analyze the charts. We give the secret of trading your how in percentage in your account. We also give mindset and psychology sessions, where you definitely can understand how the forex market works. Also, we have an earn value learn program. It's not just learning, but if you have some investment, you can definitely start earning from day one. So what is it? It is very simple, that you have to choose a monthly pack. There are forex packages, there are HFX packages, there are some digital currency packages, right? And we have Go Live sessions, what I explained to you already. And there are some small tools which you can take benefit of and make some good profits. So this is a starting cost. Startup, you have to start with $235 monthly investment, and monthly renewal is $175. But I would say that, what if you want to definitely grow big, and if you want to make up some big money, just make a plan of 50,000 rupees. We will show you personally when we talk personally how it is beneficial and how you can be profitable from day one, right? These are the packages cost, different packages. But we suggest that start with the HFX or the starter pack so that you get basic knowledge of forex. This is a schedule where India in Hindi we are consulting, doing the sessions. You can see all over the week we have sessions. Right, today 2:30 I'll be giving a session on business development, how to build a business, and every day you have some other session. Right, if you don't have funds, then yes, I have a solution for you. You just go through this. That if you have if you can become an IBO. You start with recommending some people. You find some two, and you can continue free. But I would say that if you can find two, you can find three also. So find three and earn something out of it. Right. So what will you get? Becoming an IBO, you will get a business which is on your hands, which is on your mobile, which is on your laptop, and you can continue making some good handsome money. There is a residual plan where if you find some three good people and they are continuing education with you, customers who are accessing these packages, you get a monthly income of $150, right? Plus a sponsor income on every person, you get $25. So in the initial days, first only if you control and if you start with three people, your monthly next month income is 75 plus 22 150. That comes to $225. So you can easily renew your next renewal. If you found some 12 people in your organization, you have some handsome income of $600, and it goes on, right? So this is starting with $37.55 weekly. You can reach to $1,25,000, and there are people in the world, they have crossed this level also, and they are not chairman 500, but they are chairman 750, right? So if one person can do it, I believe that you and me definitely can do it. This is one offer which we are giving you from our trade house group, that if you qualify P600, that is a platinum 600, 12 people active. If you qualify P1000 with 30 people active. So there are the options, right? The first option I'll just share with you. It's $25,000 account, which after good education you can trade very well, and with that trading you can get, just talking about 10% monthly, and out of that 10% you will earn out withdrawal 70% of the amount, and it comes to 1750, almost 1,31,000, right? So this is what I am showing you on the screen. If you have P1000 qualified 30 active people, your earnings can go till 2,60,000 rupees, right, per month, just on an investor's account, which we will be providing you after this qualification. And this is on monthly basis, right? You have to qualify something which we will show you when you are definitely achieving this level. So one more option we have a option of earning fast with compounding effects, and that is binary options. That also will help you understand when you are associated with us. Sorry, but we have people who want to invest. Then only there is this option for this, for binary options. So what we need your qualification. We need a qualification where you have a strong why, a burning desire. We need a clear focus, what you are expecting from us and what you are expecting from yourself and what the business will give you about. We need a clear cut, accurate monthly earning goal, what you are here for, what you want to start and what you want to earn. We also need a people who are ready to learn. We do not want only traders, we do not want only leaders. We want a people who are ready to learn, become a student first, and then help others. And lastly, definitely, as I told you, we know we need a smartphone and a connectivity and good electricity, right? So most important is what you need 2 hours a day consistently for 90 days. This is a program of 90 days. Don't come with a short term goal, come with a 90 days goal, that yes, within 90 days I will definitely be profitable and I will make my life with making money, right? So these are the additional bonuses which are huge amounts. We'll talk it for later. One more thing, if I ask you this question, is there a better opportunity? Go and explore it. If you don't find it, then here there is an opportunity. We can start together, earn together, and make our life, our society's life, our family's life very big, very good. Right? The choice is yours. I'm. You can start today itself. You can think it over, have some questions, throw it again. We can have Q&A session once again, right? But if you find nothing, definitely the person who has invited you, you can definitely tell him, give a call and tell him a blunt answer that I saw it, but I am not interested, right? Because we are searching for some good, we are searching for some good entrepreneurs. We are trying to find some good partners where we can make this business very big. We want some big dreamers. But if you don't find it anything, it's very nice. Matlab, we are accepting it. We don't want you to be in confused, and we don't want us also be confused whether you are coming or not. So just give a blunt answer. If you want to start, welcome to our team. We have all the things to share with you. We have all the efforts, all the uh, uh, pains and pleasures to help you out to make your financial future very big and very great, right? So thank you very much. This is my contact number, and if you want to call me and talk to me, you can talk to me on in morning 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. This is my email address. You can email also on this number, on this email address if you have any queries, right? But if you are recommended, or if you are seeing this video on YouTube, or if you have been given this link by someone, kindly please note or send a note that this person or this individual has referred to you, because he is the person who has thought first about you. So at least say thank you to the person who has invited you on this call, because he thinks that you are eligible to become the next millionaire, right? So thank you very much.